Okay guys, what's going on? It's Nando back with one more video. Thank you for stopping by. We've got a new unboxing today, an unboxing that I've been excited to do because I've never owned one of these products before. The GoPro Hero 6. And with the GoPro Hero 6 coming out, I've been torn between $399 for this or $250 to $299 for the GoPro Hero 5. So off the bat, just some quick comparisons between the two. I don't have the GoPro Hero 5. I don't know everything the Hero 5 can do. However, the biggest differences between Hero 5 and Hero 6 are resolution. So 1080p, 60 frames. The other one can do it too. 1080p, like 120 frames. We've got 2.7K footage on here, and we've got 4K footage on here. The kicker, 60 frames per second. Butter smooth. Versus the GoPro Hero 5 that only does 30 frames per second. And I know there's other settings like super slow-mo. I think slow-mo on the GoPro Hero 6, you can do it at 1080p, at 240 frames per second maybe. Don't quote me on that, but I basically got this for 4K. And everybody who knows anything about GoPro knows that the size of this thing is what makes this camera almost a must-buy if you do any kind of action sport. There's other competitors out there. There's obviously flaws and issues with this. However, enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and unbox this. It looks like we've got a little pull tab here, so we'll pull that. I am super excited because I'm going to be traveling to Russia. And if anybody knows what big thing is happening in Russia in about a month or so, for about a month, that only happens every 4 years, let me know in the comment section below what you think or know about that, because your boy is going to Rutski. So it opens up easily at the bottom, you see that? Dang, when it actually comes time to pull this out, what am I doing wrong? GoPro Care. You break it, we'll replace it if you do it, I guess, right? Something like that. Okay, so we've got this main compartment. Man, I tore this thing up. So we've got the main compartment here. You open that up, you've got instruction booklets. All right, so there's that. And then you've got what appears to be a USB Type-C cable for charging. Oh, just dropped something. I don't know what this is, but it looks like some sort of tape from 3M. And then the battery. And then we've got two of these plates. So I don't know what that does. I don't know at all. All right, guys, so I thought that GoPro actually included some sort of like charge cradle, but they don't. So that's something you can buy separately. They've got tons of accessories for it. Man, this is stressing me out. Okay, so you lift this. I'm gonna have to probably make a whole nother video just on how to remove the packaging. And then you pinch through. There you have it. That's how you do it. I'm back. There you have it. GoPro Hero 6 unboxing. But look how tiny this thing is. Look how tiny. This is tiny. I'm excited. I'm super stoked for 4K at 60 frames per second. And just the possibilities of putting this on pretty much everything. I just plan on putting it on my chest, sort of backpack type thing. Maybe on top of the hat. Also, don't forget, you're going to need an SD card. A micro SD card that's fast enough to record in 4K. There you go, 4K. Because otherwise you're gonna have choppy footage if you're filming in 4K and then you try to play it back and then it's choppy. So there you have it, guys. It was Nando. Sorry for the crappy video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I appreciate it. It's free. I give you guys free subscription. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, salute, and adios.